You can literally floor it right now. Floor it. It ain't going nowhere. Wait, did you floor it? Wait, hold on. Enter pin. What? Valet may press here. All right, floor it. What? Go down here. Something ain't wrong. Something wrong. You was flooring for real?
I mean, I hit it a little bit.
All right, hit it. Oh no, your valet mode ain't working. It ain't supposed to do that. It ain't supposed to do that.
I'm in the trap every day. What? Stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now. I told her so late. My hook in the water, she liking my babe. Ain't saving a hoe, I don't wear a cave. You beef with me, don't think you ever save. I hop in the foreign and drive like a race. You sipping the Henny, I don't need a chase. We dodging the feds and catching no case. I stay in the trap, get racks every day. She fuck with me now. I told her so late.
Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, man. We're going up.
Alright you guys, man, it's your boy TJ back with a new video for you guys, man. So before I even start this video, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe, man. So we're gonna go up all 2020. I said 2020, I meant 2021. So I just left the dealership. I should have recorded me going in there and getting the van, but I did not. But I went inside the dealership and I did receive my van. I didn't even go there to really receive my van. I went there to see if I can change the color on the brakes, but it's not an option no more it's not an option on the website. So with that being said, I had to head and meet up with T-Rose. I'm about to install a Taser on her car. It's a 2018 Taser, and it has a bypass for it. So the 2018 needs a bypass so the Taser can work for the car, so she can get the pages that she needs. But other than that, I will catch you guys when I meet up with her. All right, so we made it to T-Rose crib. You know, we're gonna install a Taser on her car for her. Where is it at? Here it is. Yeah, Automotive.
Want to get a cold start? I haven't started up today.
Oh yeah, let's get this cold start. Wait, before you even start it up, what exhaust do you have, or what did you do?
I have a straight pipe. The cats are still on there. And I got 5-inch tips.
Okay, them things are huge. Is your key fob dead?
Man, I don't know. It hasn't been saying it lately.
It ain't doing nothing.
Okay.
You want me to record for you, or you're?
I mean, it's not. I'm gonna get started.
You want me to record for you?
I mean, everybody's sleeping on it.
Oh. That was loud. Alright, so yeah, this Taser is made specifically for the 18 6.4s. It comes with a bypass in there. You gotta have a bypass for the 18s and up, right here. So I need to open this trunk. That's where we're gonna go from. Already got that open.
So I'm here.
Already connected these wires for T-Rose. You know, you got a blue, white and blue, and you got a yellow and green. Going into a little box up under there. Run these cords back here. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. I'm gonna get this plugged up right here. That's like the ground, so. And then, oh no, and then I gotta get this and then plug it into here for T-Rose. Go right here and remove this little thing. Well, not, you don't have to remove it all the way. What the light you was using? Never mind. Right here. Remove it. Go that way. Remove it some. That should be enough. That should be enough so I can slide this little piece in there. This little piece. It's gonna go right behind it. Got it in there, and now I'm gonna screw it back in. I'm tripping.
Bring it back on there tight.
Yep.
You just took that little.
That's like a ground piece. Yeah, that's in there good. So we got all the wires ready for T-rolls, man. You know, a little something, something. I'm gonna plug this up. It's flashing red and green. It's supposed to do that. I think once it stays red, it's good to go. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go inside and check it out. Let's go inside. You got the keys inside? She like, nah, I don't want nobody to take off in my car. Let's see. Ooh. You see your screen blue, right? You see your oil change required?
Huh?
You need an oil change?
No, I don't think they reset it. I just got an oil change recently.
Oh, okay. You know how to reset it, right?
Nope.
I'll help you. I'll help you. Ooh, her top speed. Whoa.
What?
You didn't know your top speed? It's like 128. That ain't nothing.
Who did that. It was at like 114 when I got it.
Oh, okay.
Something like that.
Go to audio. Let me close the door so that ring can stop.
You want? Oh, can he get in the back? Or,
No, it ain't worth. All right,
Nah,
so all right, so you're gonna have this car in run mode, and then you're gonna click this left arrow right here. You got some light in here. You got this left arrow. You're gonna hold down, and then you can press the cruise button to press OK once you marry this Taser inside your car. So we're gonna do the left arrow, cruise. See, it's counting down too, marrying to your car.
Aw. Let's get married.
It's a special day.
Let's see. Married. Okay. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go take the fuse back out and let it reset for a couple of minutes. Dang. Ooh. Come on, T-Rose, what you doing? There we go. We're gonna sit it out for a couple of minutes and let it restart. Well, reboot up for her factory radio. So I'll turn back on the camera in a second. Plug it right back in for T-Rose. Let's get this in here. Can't be missing out, man. Oh, you got some light?
Yep. My phone's frozen, so you gotta give me a minute.
All right, there we go. All right, it's back in here.
Blinking now.
It's blinking. That's a good sign. We're gonna go back into the car. Excuse me. Inside the car. Alright, CC got the screen. She got the track mode, everything red, sport mode, custom. Well, custom right here. Custom is yellow. You got the auto, which is your eco mode. And I know you're gonna be driving in eco mode. And then she got valet mode. She never had valet mode on here too. So we're gonna enter code 1234. Just like that. Paddle modes ain't gonna work. See, paddle shifting is just disabled.
Oh, dang.
Alright, so I'm gonna cut it off. Open the door. Look at that sign, SRT. We're gonna cut it back on. Oh, see, it's still in valet mode. You wanna take it down the street right quick?
Sure.
No, traction control gonna stay on. You can't cut it off.
No, it was off, and I had turned it.
Oh.
It was on.
Really?
Wait, no. It was traction was off. I just turned it back on.
Wait, what? Oh, okay.
Yeah, wait, now it's back on. I mean,
I just did that.
off.
But I think when it does that, it's still not gonna work.
Oh, I mean, the car can't go that
Yeah,
fast.
yeah.
So, I mean,
You can literally floor it right now. Floor it. It ain't going nowhere. Wait, did you floor it? Wait, hold on. Enter pin. What? Valet may press here. All right, floor it. What? Go down here. Something ain't wrong. Something wrong. You was flooring for real?
I mean, I hit it a little bit.
All right, hit it. Oh no, your valet mode ain't working. It ain't supposed to do that. Cause mine didn't do that. What? Hold on.
I swear I was not.
Cause I promise you, it's not supposed to do that.
I was the test
Well,
What?
valet finna be
What? That's wrong. That is wrong. Hold on. Wait, stop all the way. I'm gonna reset it. Let me see. Something came here right. Valley mode is limited performance of vehicles. Okay, yes. I'm gonna do it again. Something ain't wrong. I mean, something's wrong.
Reduce engine power.
Alright, so it's activated, right?
Wait,
and
now it's activated. We can try it. We can see.
Let's try it again, y'all.
That don't even make sense. I'm good now. Oh my god, something's not right. I promise you, cause I'm on. Oh, it's not because it says that because it's supposed to be a check mark. What is that? Why is it doing that?
Oh wait, do you have to press OK? Oh, wait, let me turn that up.
Function not available while valet mode is active. Valet mode cannot be deactivated while
While you driving?
Yeah, while you driving. That is crazy.
Wait, maybe I need to put it in park.
What is going on? You wasn't even supposed to take traction control off.
Alright, I'm gonna pull over.
Something's wrong.
I can feel a delay though.
You can?
It feels like.
But still, you still ain't supposed to go that fast.
Man, I feel cheated and played.
Cause you turn your traction control off and everything else. What?
Maybe I gotta put it in park.
Oh, I see this, yeah.
Yeah, cause like the traction is not on right now.
Why is it off? What? Everything's supposed to be off. What mode is it? Is the sport button on?
It
What?
says valet right there.
What? Alright,
Yo, valet, yo.
Oh, you can't even do SRT. I was trying to see how much horsepower it's pushing. Push that thing.
Yeah.
Let me see. That's crazy. I need to see how much horsepower this thing. And that Jeep drove off. You seen it? He got scared. Okay, engine power. Okay, I want to watch that because if that say over 250 horsepower, your valet mode ain't working. That don't make no sense.
Try it again.
Oh, it's something I mean. What the heck? I should let you drive my car, cause my car wasn't going nowhere.
It wasn't going nowhere?
No.
Alright, let's try.
No, that ain't working. It says 300 something horsepower. That's bogus. That's bogus.
Wow.
Alright, so
Well, at least you got your SRT mode.
wait, let's try.
Huh?
Let's take it off and see if it's different.
Okay. Well, I can't do that yet. Oh, you got a delay on your camera?
Yeah.
It smells like rubber. Did the acceleration feel different?
Wait, sorry, we're trying out eco.
Yeah, try eco.
Yeah, I can feel.
Now you feel it?
Oh wait,
No, like it's
sport now?
yeah. See that when you hit the gas? See, auto, you had to actually hit the. You gonna feel it different. You see, the RPM went down too.
I'm ready for track. Put that bad boy in track.
Uh-oh, wait, hold on.
The RPM went up. I think it pops more in track too.
Oh yeah, it does.
Oh, well, you'll be,
Hey guys, I don't know what's wrong with valet mode because she wasn't supposed to go no 300 something horsepower. It's supposed to be like 120 something.
Now they look different.
They
finna be doing some ratchet stuff. Alright, let's let these cars get a little bit of space. Yeah, I can definitely tell a difference in track.
Yeah.
Not really that much space for me to really hit it. But I can tell it's like it's a lot louder.
I feel like the eco button, it made me say gas too when I'm not. It helps me not like actually press on the gas as much.
Yeah, I'll probably be driving in that, like, especially like